Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail storage full issues in 2026. So if your inbox is full, emails are not arriving, or you're getting storage warnings, this guide will help you free up space and get everything working again. First, sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account and open the storage settings section. This lets you see which folders are using the most space. Next, remove large emails and old attachments. So messages with videos, images, or documents usually take up the most storage. Now clean out your junk mail and deleted items folders. I mean those folders still use storage until they're emptied completely. If your inbox fills up quickly, unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters and promotional emails. This helps reduce future storage problems. So download or move important attachments to cloud storage instead of keeping everything inside your mailbox. If you still run out of space regularly, consider upgrading your Microsoft storage plan. This gives you more room for emails and attachments. And that's how to fix Hotmail storage full issues in 2026. Once you clean up old emails and manage your attachments properly, your mailbox should work smoothly again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey